Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from an image in Gimp. It will be really simple and easy. So Gimp provides several methods to achieve this. The chosen method depends on the image content and the desired results. So first of all, simply removing text using a simple color fill. First, create a solid background color. If the image has a solid background color behind the text, this method is very effective. To do this, use the color picker tool or simply use the shortcut key O for a quick tool switch. Then use the color picker tool to select the background color by clicking on it. Then switch to the rectangular tool and make a selection around the text. Now we are going to create a color patch. Optionally, you can create a new layer using Ctrl Shift N or Command Shift N on Mac. Then use the bucket fill tool or use the shortcut key Shift B for a quick tool switch. Then use the bucket fill tool to fill the selection with a background color. And you can adjust a color patch if necessary. Second method is by removing text using the clone tool. If the text is over a complex background like a photograph, you can use the clone tool. Create a new layer using Shift Ctrl N or Command Shift N on Mac. Then enable the sample merge option in the two options panel. Now we are going to identify clone source point. To do this, hold the Control key and click the spot of the image to set a source point. Then click and drag with a clone tool to paint over a text, making it seem to disappear, as you can see here. The clone pixels are now on a new layer for easy editing without affecting the original image. The third method is by removing text using Resynthesizer. For this, you have to install a Resynthesizer plugin. Resynthesizer is a powerful plugin for providing a constant aware fill feature. Install a Resynthesizer following the plugin installation guide for Git. Use the plugin, switch to the rectangular select tool and make a selection around the text. Then open filters, go to enhance and you have to select heal selection. Resynthesizer will attempt to fill the selected area intelligently. Note that Resynthesizer doesn't output the patch on a separate layer, limiting non-destructive editing. These methods offer flexibility based on image characteristics and user preferences. So these are some ways to remove text. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove text from an image in GIMP. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.